Hi everybody. Hope all are fine. Today I have come up with a new video. This video is regarding AP elections. So for this, Election Commission of India has been released notification in the month of April 2024. For this, election is going to be held in the month of May 13th. So for this, people of Andhra Pradesh has to be ready and has to think once or twice before casting their vote, and they have to choose a right person. Why? Because nowadays we could see so many other parties are coming together. There are so many competitors are coming to defeat present government and for the power. For this, people of Andhra Pradesh has to think, if somebody come and somebody come and tell you something, that people of Andhra Pradesh has to think. So what they are doing, what they are telling, if they win, will they do administration well, better than present government? So these points and all people of Andhra Pradesh has to consider actually. Then we will get to know to whom we have to select as a right person, we have to elect actually. So do you know why I am telling? So let me tell you. So what I have noticed, so as I know actually, okay, so before 2019, so how was the governance, how was the administration? So after 2019, how is the government is going on till now? So this comparison, these checks, if we could do, so we will get to know exactly to whom we have to elect. So this and all we have to do. Okay, so let me tell you in depthly actually. So as I noticed, so before 2019, from 2014 to 2019, so some X party was ruling our state. So as I know, I don't see any growth during that period time. So apart from one or two projects, so apart from that, I don't see any growth, nothing. It was nothing actually. So you can check also from your end. You can check with others also, with other districts, with other constitutions, that then you will get to know exactly. So after 2019, so once YSRCP has won, so once YSRCP has come to the power or position, so far as of now what they are doing best, like schemes, projects and all. Also there was a corona between 2020 to 2022. So there was a corona. Of course, corona to all the world actually, but it has impacted to our AP state. Why? Because recently we don't have any capital for our state, right? So due to formation of a new state Telangana, so due to that capital issue, so corona has impacted more to our AP state compared to other countries and other states. So during that time 2020 to 2022, during that time, so the present YSRCP government, so they could focus on corona, they could save people from the coronavirus. Also they are able to do some schemes and all. So they are providing schemes to the people of Andhra Pradesh simultaneously. So that they couldn't focus on the development till 2022. So after 2022, from 2023 till now, they are bringing some new projects gradually. Also they are doing some schemes to the public. Apart from this, election campaigns, so everything they are doing their level best. Also one main key role in this present government is like volunteers organization is going very well actually. They are the main pillar of Andhra Pradesh. They are playing key role actually. Why? Because whatever schemes, benefits getting from the governments, so they are taking this initiative and they are ensuring to the people of Andhra Pradesh. So each and everything they are going to the public and they are ensuring their duties, and each and everything they are taking their responsibility. to the people. No, people of Andhra Pradesh, people are also feeling very happily actually, because of these people initiatives, like initiatives, what we could say, this volunteers organization. So they are doing their level best actually. So we can see this, we can see, even I have seen. So they are doing their level best, they are ensuring their responsibilities, accountabilities. Always they are working towards people of Andhra Pradesh, each and everything. So as I know, they are doing best. But one more thing I have noticed, that I don't see any growth in the our AP state actually. Why? Because due to this corona issue. Why? Due to this corona issue, I don't see actually. I have noticed this actually. Why? Because due to this corona issue. Why? Because our state has to improve. Our state has to improve. If our state improve, then investors will come to our state and they will do some investment. Then people of Andhra Pradesh will get the will get some employment actually. So if we get the employment, then we don't have to go to the other states, other countries. So we don't have to be dependent on other states. So we can do our job in our state. So for this, it will take some time. It will take some time, but definitely it will happen one day. For this, people of Andhra Pradesh has to be patient actually. So this is my understanding and my knowledge. I'm sharing you actually. But I'm against to the parties actually. Just this is my opinion. So that people of Andhra Pradesh, please think twice before casting your vote. So who can do best? Who can give right administration, each and everything to the public, and who can improve our state, who can bring so many investors to our state, and who can provide the jobs to the people of Andhra Pradesh, degree holders, or for unemployment and graduates. Okay, who can do better this? So for this, people has to think. I mean to say, you have to think. This is my opinion, this is my personal opinion. Okay, so I request you to please don't think bad. Okay, if anything wrong, please accept. And it's my last word: before voting your cast once or twice or fourth time, please think and cast your vote, and vote is your right. So our vote is only can change our world. So my humble request, please think. Thank you.